Okay, let's start. Good afternoon, kids, and welcome to our math class. Okay, so yesterday we talked about time, right? And I also gave you a homework. So I wanted to get your math workbook and open on chapter 3 on your homework. Just give me 1 second. Let me pull up the page for you. Do you know what page is your homework? What page is it? What page number? Okay, so here, chapter 3, time. Workbook, okay, not textbook, workbook. This was your homework yesterday, so let's try to answer. Okay, so for letter A, oh, by the way, the direction is write the time using the 24-hour notation. For letter A, 4 a.m. So that's gonna be like this. So 04, and then colon, and then 20. And then for letter B, 9 p.m., that's gonna be 21, okay? For letter C, who would like to answer for letter C? 2:30 p.m. Boom. For letter C. Pete, open your workbook on this page. Chapter 3. Let's answer your homework. Everybody open your workbook on this page. Are you ready, class? Are you kids ready?
Yes.
Okay, so let's proceed to letter C. Write the time using the 24-hour notation. For letter C, the time is 2:30 p.m. How are you gonna write this? Third, answer letter C. Third, letter C. Class, did you answer your homework? Yes or no? Okay, for letter C, that's gonna be 14:30. Okay, for letter D, 6:50 p.m. How are you gonna write this in a 24-hour notation? Anyone? Boom. Boom, what is the answer here for letter C? Oh no, letter D.
18 hours and 50 minutes.
Very good, so 18 hour and 50 minutes. Very good. Letter E, alpha. 10:13 p.m. Alpha. Okay, Conchai, letter E. 10:13 p.m. Mhm.
22 hours and 13 minutes.
Very good. So that's 22 hours and 13 minutes. Good job. Letter F. Pete. Letter F. 11:54 a.m. Turn on your microphone. Letter F. How do you read this time?
11 hour. 11 hour. 54 minutes.
Okay, 11:54. Very good. Letter G. Third. Third, are you there? Okay, Alpha. Letter G. 4 p.m.
6 hours.
Again, please, louder.
16 hours.
16, very good. Okay, letter H, Gam, 9 a.m. Gam, are you there? Okay, Nulek, letter H, 9 a.m. Okay, Kunchai, do you want to help Nulek, letter H?
9 hours.
Very good, good job. And letter I, Boom, letter I. Boom, it's your turn, letter I, 2:30 a.m.
2 hours and 30 minutes.
Okay, 2:30, very good. Letter J, Alpha, 6:50 a.m. Letter J.
16 hours, 15 minutes.
I cannot hear you. Louder, please.
16 hours, 15 minutes.
It's gonna be 6 hours and 50 minutes, 6:50. Okay, letter K, Pete. Pete, letter K.
10 hour, 10 hour, 13.
Very good, that's 10:13. And letter L. Kunchai, do you want to answer? Do you want to answer letter L? 11:54 p.m. Kunchai, do you want to answer letter L? Okay, Guangdong, letter L, 11:54 p.m. How are you going to write this time using the 24-hour notation? Guangdong, letter L.
Five.
This is PM na, 11:54 p.m. Okay, go ahead. Who wants to help Guangdong?
Me.
Okay, go ahead, Pete. Is that you, Pete?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead. What's the answer for letter L? How are you going to write this time in a 24-hour notation?
hour 54 minutes.
Again, one time. One more time.
Hour 54 minutes.
Again, how many hours?
23 hour.
Very good. That's 23 hours and 54 minutes. Good job. Okay, class, do you understand how to write the time in a 24-hour notation? Do you understand? Yes or no?
And
Okay, very good. Now let's proceed to the next one, number 2. Okay, number 2, find the amount of time. Draw a diagram for the timeline to help you. Okay, so letter A, the time is from 13:08 to 21:08. So what is the amount of time between 13:08 to 21:08? Anyone? What is the amount of time? Okay, let's try to draw the timeline. Okay, hold on. So let's say this is the timeline, all right? So we will start with 13:08. And here is 21:08. So what is the amount of time here? What is the amount of time? So we will start with 13:08, right? So we have 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. So what is the amount of time between 13:08 to 21:08? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, what is the amount of time? What is the amount of time? Anyone? 1,
8.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the amount of time is 8 hours. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so here's the answer, 8 hours. Letter B. What is the amount of time from 5:30 to 11:45? Anyone? What is the amount of time from 5:30 to 11:45? So let's try to draw the timeline. Okay. So we will start with 5:30, okay? Here, 5:30. And then here, 11:30. And here, 11:45. Okay, what is the amount of time from 5:30 to 11:30 in hours? And what is the amount of time from 11:30 to 11:45 in minutes? What is the answer?
6 hour. 6 hour.
Again, Pete?
6 hour. 15.
15 alay? 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
Okay, so let's try to track. So this is 6:30, 7:30, 8:30, 9:30, 10:30. Again, this one is 6:30, 7:30, 8:30, 9:30, and 10:30. So that's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here is 6 hours. At 11:30 to 11:45, that's 15 minutes. So the answer for this is 6 hours and 15 minutes. Understand, yes or no?
Understand.
Okay, very good. All right, now let's proceed to our new topic. All right, everybody get your science, oh no, your math textbook. And open on chapter 3. Hold on, just give me 1 second, class. Let me pull up the page, hold on. Math textbook, what page is chapter 3 again? For any reason I'm unable to pull it up. Hold on, just give me 1 second. Okay, there you go. Almost there. Okay, so turn your book on this page, conversion of time. Conversion of units for time. Not workbook, but textbook, okay? So you have learned to tell the time in hours and minutes and seconds is a unit used to tell very small amounts of time. So this time, We are going to convert hours to minutes, minutes to seconds, minutes to hours, seconds to minutes, okay? So as you can see, we have the analog clock, okay? Remember, 1 hour is equivalent to 60 minutes. Again, 1 hour is equivalent to 60 minutes, and 1 minute is equivalent to 60 seconds. So here's the minutes class: 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So 60 minutes is equivalent to 1 hour, or 1 hour is equivalent to 60 minutes. And 1 minute is 60 seconds. So here. All right. Now let's try this example. We have example number 3. So let's convert to minutes. So we have A, B, and C. So letter A is 2 hours. Letter B, 2 hours and 20 minutes. Letter C is 11 hours and 45 minutes. So let's convert this time to minutes, okay? So here's the solution for letter A. So for letter A, we have 2 hours, right? So all we have to do is to multiply 2 by 60. So 2 times 60, that is 120 minutes. Now, letter B. Let's convert 4 hours and 20 minutes to minutes. So first, we will convert first the hours, okay? So 4 hours. All we have to do is to multiply 4 by 60. So 4 times 60 is equivalent to 240 minutes. So since we have the 240 minutes, we will just add the 20 minutes, which is this one. So it will give us an answer of 260 minutes. Do you understand? All right, let's proceed to letter C. So we have 11 hours and 45 minutes. So let's find out how many minutes in 11 hours and 45 minutes. So all we have to do is to multiply 11 by 60. So 11 times 60, that's 660 minutes. And we have 45 minutes. We will just add 660 plus 45. So that's a total of 705 minutes. Okay, let's try an example. Let's start to practice. Hold on. Okay, so class, hold on. I have 3 hours and 30 minutes. So convert this into minutes. So how many minutes in 3 hours and 30 minutes? Use your pencil and paper. So first is we have to multiply. We have to multiply 3 by 60. That's 3 multiplied by 60. What's the answer? 3 multiplied by 60.
180.
180, very good. Plus the 30 minutes. So what is the total? 180 plus 100 plus 30. 180 plus 30.
210 minutes.
Very good. So that's 210 minutes. So that's the answer. So there are 210 minutes in 3 hours and 30 minutes. Okay, another example. How many minutes in 9 hours and 50 minutes? Who would like to answer? Who wants to answer? Boom.
Nine. Show me.
Okay, you want to help it? Okay, you help Boom.
540.
Again?
540.
Are you sure? So we have to multiply 9 by 60.
And
9 times 60, what's the answer?
50.
Again?
5,000 and
5,000 no?
540 and
Plus 50. What's the answer?
590.
Okay, so the answer is 590 minutes. Okay, another one. So I have 10 hours and 25 minutes. So convert this into minutes. Who wants to answer? Wants to answer?
2025 minutes.
What? Are you sure?
2,500. 600 minutes. 600 minutes.
600 minutes, but we still have 25 minutes. Class, don't forget to add the minutes, okay? So 10 hours, right? So 10 multiplied by 60, right? So that's 600 plus the 25 minutes. Don't forget. So that is 625 minutes. Do you understand? Okay, another example. I have 6 hours and 35 minutes. So convert this into minutes. So 6 hours and 35 minutes. What's the answer? Kuchai?
360.
Again,
360.
360. But we
Yes.
still have 35.
$395.
Very good, Kanchai. So that's 6 hours, right? So 6 multiplied by 60, that's 600, right? Oh, no, that's 300. I'm sorry. Plus 35. Oh, no, hold on. That's 360 plus 35. That's 395 minutes. Okay, another example. I have 5 hours and 23 minutes. So convert this into minutes. Boom. What's the answer, class?
Third, 300. 300 plus
Okay,
5
300 plus.
plus 23.
Okay, the answer is 323 minutes. Okay, good job, boom. One more. I have let's try 7 hours and 37 minutes. Okay, how many minutes in 7 hours and 37 minutes? Who would like to answer? So that's 7 times 60. 7 times 60. What's the answer? Seven multiplied by 60. So that's 420, right? And then add 37. How much? Oh. What's the answer, class? So that's 457 minutes. Class, do you understand this one? Conversion? Yes or no? Okay, I will give you a homework, okay? I will give you a homework. I will send your homework in our line group. All right, so that's all for today, students. Thank you, class.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, thank you.
Teacher.
Bye.